Become an affiliate marketing guru with these powerful marketing tips. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to make a little extra money. In fact, lots of people are making a full-time living from in this way. This video can explain to you how affiliate marketing works and how you can put it to work to benefit you. Create a short ebook and post it on document sharing sites. By doing this, you can show off your expertise, but you can also attract visitors and prospective buyers who are looking for similar information to your site. Be sure to include a number of links to your site inside the document. Let your visitors know who your affiliates are so that your readers can feel more positive about your intentions. The profits available from affiliate marketing cannot make up for alienating your website's patrons with duplicity. Always be honest with your audience. When you have made a good case for using affiliate marketing strategies, your visitors will be more receptive to utilizing any included links. Pick a high-quality product. If you recommend a product that is of poor quality, it will reflect back on you as a promoter. The last thing you want people to believe is that you purposely recommended a product that doesn't work. If you wouldn't trust it, don't ask your readers to. Proper affiliate marketing is going to take a lot of research on your part, but that doesn't mean it has to be tedious. Thanks to viral video sites like YouTube and Dailymotion, just to name a couple, you can now check out entertaining tutorials that are not only entertaining but are also 2-for-1 opportunities, as they tell you how to do something and show you. Before picking an affiliate marketing partner, you should visit their website to get a feel for their online business. Would you personally buy from their website? Is their website easy to use? Would visitors to your website feel good or bad about being directed to the advertiser? You can learn plenty about potential partners just by checking their site. When you want to convince people to buy your product, it is a good idea to use the word invest instead of buy or purchase. When people hear the word invest, they think of it as a unique opportunity, whereas buy or purchase, they may think of it as another way for them to lose money. Affiliate marketing can be something that you can make work for you. By following the tips in the video above, you can realize a nice income from the comfort of your own home. Obviously, you can't expect instant results, but if you are in it with a long-term view, you can be successful at it. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.